Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a Chevy Impala 2012. It could be 12 to 13, 14, 15. Could be the same. Now they need to fix. Somebody tried to break into the car. You see they damage it. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to fix it. So from the dealer it's coming like this. We're gonna rekey it, and if the car doesn't have no key, we can generate a key from the existing cylinder. What happened is the ignition cylinder contain about this cylinder is contain about 10 the car itself have 10 cuts, but the 10 cuts we have 8 cuts here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have 7 cuts here, and we are missing maybe 9 10, like we're missing 2 cuts. So it looked like we're missing 3 cuts. If it's 10 cuts, we're missing 3 cuts. So first we're gonna collect the cuts. We have all the pins here. Every single look here is good. If you are taking this one, try to make sign here so that you're not gonna miss the direction. Okay, take it this way. I'm gonna take this one out. You see this is facing this side. Now I'm gonna try to take this one just by force it. Be careful, don't hurt yourself. I gotta go answer the phone. Okay. Okay, take this one slowly. Take this one also out. Okay. So it damaged it. So what I need to do is I'll try to see if I can take everything out slowly. Now your job is to take one by one and read it, because I need those. And then if everything is okay here, we can just get what we broke, what is damaged here, and put it back. But we need to read. You see here, you can get this one and put it back. It will work. But what I need to do is I need to know what cut so that I can cut a key. So I'm going to start by the first one. Get something to push from here. Okay, take it out, read it, and put it back. Write it down after you read it. This is 2. So I'm going to put it back. I will get a pen and write down from 1 to 10. And then I'll write 2. Okay, let me see where it is. I need a pen. I'm coming back. I just gonna write down here is 2. This for the door. So 2, and then next one. Okay. Yes, it's come out. 2 4. Just let me write down here 4. Yes, I have. Don't make mistakes. I took this one first, so I start from the shoulder. Don't make mistake. You know, I did a mistake there. I read from here, so just try to be sure and careful. This is 2. It's supposed to be the second one here. Two. 2. So 2, 2. 2, 2. Not 2, 4. So 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1. 1. They give me this key. I don't know if that's the one or not. 2, 2, 1, 1. I don't believe so, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. What can happen? 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 6 and 7. 6. Is 4. Put it the right way. This is 4, right? Write it down. Don't wait till you lose it. 4. The last one. Two. So I have 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. They give me this key, but I don't believe this is the key, because totally different key. It's Chevy, but it's not for the car. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cuts. Chevy Impala, and I can leave the same cylinder. I just have to put this piece here, where it is. Let me just put this on this, the cups on this one. So let me take this one out. Ignition cylinder is still good. Okay. Let me put this one here. This one here. Okay. You know how they make it very good. Some of them you have to fight to put it, but this one is good. And also try to get where it's sitting. Yes. That's not the right way. Yes, here is the right way, because you need to put the pins. I will study everything, but I believe this is the right position. Yes. Yes. This is good. I don't want to put this. I have to wait. Yeah, like this, but I want to wait till this is turned perfect. And then we're going to put this piece here. Sitting like this, but it's not right. It's supposed to be like this. And then take the piece out. You can put a new one. Yes, now I believe I'm gonna get the key cut and then look for the 3 cuts where they are. I'm not sure, so we're gonna wait for it. Stay with us, please. Thank you.